I got so many bills to pay. I tweet way too much. Hell, this is my 5th take of this intro. My dad likes to call that life, but I'd like to call that white girl problem. Met her back in autumn. Every gift I try to get her, she already got them. Messing with the TA, wonder what she taught him. Work her way down, literally to the bottom. Where are all my best friends? I cannot ignore them. Never gonna text them, I am too important. Look at what my dad bought, yeah, it was imported. He took a second loan, cause our family can't afford it. Nice guy, bound to finish last if it's a sport. Call her CeeLo cause she crazy and her arms are kinda short. Got a traffic ticket once, but she didn't go to court. And she interrupts my sessions every time that I record. So I tell her I got so much shit up on my plate, it's a buffet. Now we out in Paris and these women look like Muzzy. Superficial, she just need a combs like Puffy. You don't need to go, but I think you need to trust me.
Come take a drink with me, forget all you know. You pay tuition, I'll just live on the floor. I think you fly, but your friends ugly for sure. Well, come take a drink with me, forget doing blow.
White girl problem, met her at a concert. Think it was Tiesto, already forgot it. Who am I to blame her? She was so obnoxious. Got a little taste of your lips, it was toxic. We should keep in contact. Okay, that is nonsense. Sure, I'll take your email, tell me where to jot it. Got a pen and pencil on me at all times, cause I rhyme now. I'm kinda feeling genius that I brought it. Switch up, not black eyed peas, but I wish I was richer. Finally graduated, she majored in being mixed up. Recognize you from TV, yo, can we please take a picture? I call you Mary Kate, cause I can't really tell the difference, it beats me. Addicted to pills and the Vici. The hills used to be cool, what happened to LC? Parents moving to Florida, so who's left to help me? I can't, but I'll write about you on my LP.
Come take a drink with me, forget all you know. You pay tuition, I'll just live on the floor. I think you fly, but your friends ugly for sure. Well, come take a drink with me, forget